Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. I'm known as Coach. I used to be a teacher in Idaho for 35 years, retired from that, been working over here about 7 years. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2018 Ventana 3436. Okay folks, we're inside the 3436 2018 Ventana 3436. What a great coach. In the back, we've got washer dryer, stacker already in the back. We've also got a nice closet, lots of space, TV back there. We've got a residential refrigerator, nice pantry, what a great kitchen, Corian countertops, two stainless steel sinks. We've got a couch that turns into a bed. We've got a dinette, nice eye-level TV with lots of storage underneath. Great cockpit, comfort drive. Comfort drive is an amazing thing on these Newmar coaches. You've got to experience this. The opportunity to drive one of these. Come on down, ask for Ken Quick, Coach, and we'll go for a drive in one of these Newmars, and you're going to be so impressed. Thanks for letting me show you around today. I hope you appreciated this 3436 Newmar Ventana 2018. What a great coach. Somebody needs to call me right away because these are flying out of here. Ken Quick, 208-250-8625.